So presuming you already have MetaMask installed and you have Moonriver tokens in your wallet, we need to head over to moonbeam.network. Then click Launch App. We first need to connect our wallet, so click the MetaMask icon and a pop-up will appear. Choose the account you want to connect to, click Next, and connect. As we are on the Ethereum network, it will ask us to switch networks to the Moonriver network, so go ahead and click Switch Network. Once connected to the Moonriver network, you will see your Moonriver tokens available in your MetaMask balance. You will now be presented with the Moonriver dashboard. If you scroll down, you'll see the staking panel. So to get started, let's click Manage Delegations. Here we're going to delegate our tokens to a collator candidate. In return, the collator will share the rewards received from producing blocks amongst all of their delegators. The rewards will be based on how much you contribute versus the total amount bonded to the collator. For more information on this, check out the link in the description. So before we delegate our tokens, we need to select a collator. Click Select a Collator. At the top, we can see the active pools and the waiting pools. The active tab contains collators who are producing blocks and earning rewards, and the waiting tab contains collators who are not yet producing blocks or earning rewards. Here we can see a list of the collators, how much Moonriver they've bonded themselves, the total amount bonded, how many delegations there are, the minimum amount needed to bond, and the blocks they produced for the last round. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when selecting a collator. A collator with a lower total amount bonded will make your delegation amount represent a larger portion of the collator's total stake, and you will earn proportionally higher rewards. You will also need to consider collator performance by reviewing the number of blocks each collator produced in the last round. In the description, I'll also leave a link to the collator leaderboard on Moonscan for you to check out. Click on the collator you'd like to delegate to, enter the amount you'd like to delegate, and click Delegate. A MetaMask pop-up will appear to sign the transaction. Once you're happy with it, click Confirm. Once you've signed the transaction, you'll see a delegation transaction sent notification in the top right-hand corner. Once confirmed, you'll see a transaction confirmed notification, and your dashboard will be updated to include your staked tokens. Rewards will be paid out directly into your wallet every 4 hours. If you'd like to delegate more tokens to the collator, click the plus button, enter the amount you'd like to bond, and click Send. Reducing your delegation or revoking a delegation is a two-step process that involves an initial step and an execution step. To unbond your funds, click the minus button. Enter the amount you'd like to unbond, click Send, and sign the transaction. Remember, you'll need to execute the unbonding after 24 rounds. You can see the current rounds displayed here. To revoke a delegator, click the cross button, click Revoke, and sign the transaction. You'll need to follow the same process for unbonding your tokens and execute the revoke after 24 rounds. Congratulations, you successfully staked your Moonriver tokens.